Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre, and today I'm going to share an extremely powerful method, a ritual for wealth and prosperity. Zambala is a Buddhist deity. In Hindu mythology, he is also known as Kubera. A legend goes that there was a very high Lama who was traveling on a mountain. While traveling, he saw a very poor person who was hungry. Since the Lama couldn't find any food, he cut his flesh and offered this to the poor man for eating. The poor man refused to eat. So Lama got really very sad and sat next to the poor man. At that particular moment, a white light appeared and Atisha appeared. He said that he will manifest as god of wealth Zambala, and there would be no poverty for whoever who worships him. So what does Zambala means? Zam means deity, Ba means gold or wealth, and La means to honor. So in short, it means precious golden deity who brings wealth and material security. So let's see what are the ingredients we require for this ritual. The first thing that we require is water. Then we require 5 tea light or candles, or you can also use 5 diyas. This is for 5 forms of Zambala. You require some money to donate. It's up to you what you want to donate. It can be 1 rupee to whatever extent you want. We'll be using 5 flowers. Any flowers will do. And of course, we will also be using incense. Now, incense is optional. Alright, so let's begin. While doing this ritual, we will be saying this mantra: Om Zambala Zale Draya Soha. Om Zambala Zale Draya Soha. I'll repeat it again. Om Zambala Zale Draya Soha. Okay, you can chant this mantra 7 or 21 times. Depends on how many times you want to chant it. Okay, so let's begin. With your right hand, you will be pouring water on Zambala, God Zambala. You can also, he's also known as Kubera. In case if you do not have a statue, okay, you can use a picture, laminate that picture, or better you put that picture in a frame and you spray water on it. Okay, so we'll begin. I'm pouring little water on him. You can also chant the mantra while pouring water on him. Okay. Now we will remove him from the plate and just wipe him. Alright, now you need to place the flowers in front of Lord Zambala the way I have done it. Okay, and then you will place the 5 tea light candles or diyas in front of Lord Zambala. See it? Now why we are placing this 5 tea lights, or in your case you can also place diyas, because we are praying to the 5 forms of God Zambala, alright, or Lord Kubera as you can call it. Then you will also place an incense. Any incense will do, whichever incense you are comfortable or you have it in your place. And then you will also be placing a donation, whatever donation you are comfortable in. Alright, and once we have done this, we will chant his mantra. Okay, the mantra is Om Jambala Jalendriya Soha. Om Jambala Jalendriya Soha. We'll chant it 7 or 21 times, and then you will say, please bless me with financial security and abundance. Now, this ritual has to be done on a Wednesday or a Thursday. You can do it once a week. You can do it any time before 12 in the night. If you, as I said, if you do not have a statue, you can use a picture. You place that picture in a frame and spray water for the first step. All right. So this is an extremely simple, however, a very, very powerful ritual for inviting financial abundance in your life. I hope you enjoyed this small video and have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.